Good morning students, Miss Poonam this side, here to proceed chapter 2 reproduction in flowering plants. So let's start our topic of the day. That's the Gynecium. Gynecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. It is also called as the pistil. So under the Gynecium we will be talking about Megasporogenesis means ovule and the embryo sac. So today our topic will be the Gynecium and it is the female reproductive part of the flower. So let's start our topic of the day. Gynecium may have one pistil or more than one pistil. If there is one pistil, it is called as monocarpellary. If more than one pistil, it is called as polycarpellary. It can be present either in a fused form, that is called syncarpus, or it can also present as a free form, that is called the apocarpus. Pistil mainly have three main parts, that is called the stigma, style and ovary, and inside the ovary, ovarium cavity is present. It is also called as a locule, and the megasporangia means ovules. They arise from the placenta and takes place in the fusion process during the fertilization. Now we will discuss about the megasporangia, or we can say the ovule. These are the small structure attached to the placenta. Here we have the structure of your ovule. You can see the funicle, that is called the stalk by which ovule attached to the placenta, and hilum, it is a junction between the ovule funicle. Integument, it is the protective layer, and the micropyle, it is a small opening where the pollen tubes may enter, and the chaliza, this is the basal part of the ovule, and the nucleus, these are the diploid mass of cells enclosed in the integument or the protective layer. Now we will talk about the megasporogenesis. It is the formation of megasporangiospores. It formed from the mother cell by the mitotic division, that is takes place in the ovule. Ovule differentiates single megaspores mother cell, that is also called as MMC, in the micropylar region of the nucleus, and this MMC means megaspores mother cell undergo the mitotic division and results in the 4 megaspores. Out of those 4 megaspores, 3 megaspores degenerates and 1 develop into the female, and the nucleus further divides mitotically to form 2 nuclei which moves to the opposite poles, and 2 more sequential mitotic divisions takes place that results into the 8 nucleated embryo sac. Now moving to the next one, and during the next event, 6 out of 8 nuclei that are surrounded by the cell wall, and the remaining 2 nuclei that will be situated below the egg apparatus, and 3 cells are grouped at the micropylar end to constitute egg apparatus, and the 3 cells at the chalizal end that will forms antipodal cells. At maturity, embryo sacs will be 8 nucleated and 7 celled. So this was all about the Gynecium, female reproductive part. Next class we will be talking about the pollination. So thank you so much for being with me and listening me, and stay tuned for the next lecture. Thank you so much and have a good day. Thank you.